Today's topic is about ulnar and median nerve, specifically the motor innervations. I think it's better to study these two big nerves together and make a comparison. So unlike the radial nerve, which runs on the dorsal surface of forearm and the hand, both median and ulnar nerve runs on the anterior or volar anterior surface of the arm, forearm and the hand. The ulnar nerve runs where the ulnar bone is, and the median nerve runs in the middle, as we can see here. So we will start with the muscles that they are innervating in the hand region, mainly on two groups of muscles. The first one, which is called thenar, and the second one, which is called hypothenar. So to make things easier, for the thenar muscles there are three muscles, and hypothenar there are three muscles. The thenar muscles will control the thumb region, and the hypothenar will control the little finger. So thenar muscles, we have abductor, we have flexor, and we have opponens. And for the hypothenar, we have the same exact name. We have abductor, we have flexor, and we have opponens. Just be careful, because we have brevis. Because there is another muscle, which is abductor pollicis longus and flexor pollicis longus, which are innervated by a different nerve. So just to make things easier, whether you are talking about the thenar or the hypothenar, always at the end, just to make yourself in a safe area, just mention the word brevis at the end. Now the word pollicis in Latin means the thumb, and the digiti minima in Latin, it refers to the little finger. So we have abductor thumb, and then we have flexor the thumb, and then we have the opponent or opposition of the thumb, and then we have abductor the little finger, flexor little finger, and the opposition or opponents the little finger. And always at the end add the word brevis. So that's my hand, and this is the thenar muscle. So the first function is abductor. It abducts the thumb, but be careful, it abducts the thumb from this region, which is the short region or brevis, because there is another region which abducts the thumb, and longus, innervated by a different nerve. So anyway, abduction, and then flexion of the thumb, and then opposition of the thumb. Again, abduction, flexion, and opposition. And the same thing for the little finger. So we have abduction, flexion, and opposition. This is from a different angle. So we have abduction, and then flexion, and then opposition. And I'm sure it's easy to remember that the ulnar nerve will innervate the hypothenar, since the ulnar nerve or the ulnar bone is where the little finger is, and then we are left with the medial nerve, which will innervate the thenar muscle. So the ulnar is hypothenar, and the median will innervate the thenar muscles.